Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a hot topic that's got the crypto community buzzing. The massive speculation around Pi Network, its ISO 2022 upgrade, and the holy grail for many Pi pioneers, a potential listing on Binance. Is it just a dream or is there some real substance to these rumors? Let's break it down. First off, for those who might be new to this, what exactly is Pi Network? It's a cryptocurrency project that aims to allow users to mine Pi coins on their mobile phones, making crypto accessible to a wider audience. The mainnet is still in its closed phase, meaning Pi isn't yet freely tradable on public exchanges. The fundamental philosophy of Pi Network centers around building a user-oriented ecosystem. As more people join, the value of Pi coins may potentially increase due to heightened demand and utility within a growing marketplace. The project envisions creating a platform where users can trade goods and services using Pi coins, thereby promoting mainstream adoption of digital currencies. Currently, the Pi Network community is actively engaged in discussions about potential use cases that align with the vision of a decentralized economy. Security and trust are paramount in any cryptocurrency undertaking. Pi Network incorporates a unique social consensus mechanism that relies on the trust of users' social networks to validate transactions. This feature adds an extra layer of security as users are encouraged to vouch for trusted contacts, ensuring that the ecosystem remains robust against fraudulent activities. The transparency of the process fosters a sense of community among users, creating a collective responsibility to maintain the integrity of the network. While the Pi Network is still in its development phases, it presents a compelling opportunity for individuals interested in cryptocurrency. With its focus on accessibility, community involvement, and innovative technologies, Pi Network has the potential to disrupt traditional financial systems and redefine how individuals interact with digital assets. As the project continues to evolve, it might pave the way for a more inclusive financial future for millions around the globe. Now, let's talk about ISO 2022. This isn't just some tech jargon, it's a global standard for financial messaging. Think of it as a universal language for financial transactions that helps banks and financial institutions communicate more efficiently and securely. Why is this a big deal for crypto? Well, as the financial world moves towards greater interoperability and regulatory clarity, being ISO 2022 compliant means a project is essentially speaking the same language as traditional finance. Cryptocurrencies like XRP, XDC, Algorand, IoT, and Stellar Lumens are already aligning with or are compliant with ISO 2022, recognizing its importance for mainstream adoption and integration with the global financial system. So, here's where the speculation heats up. If Pi Network were to fully embrace or align itself with the ISO 2022 standard, it would signal a huge leap in its maturity and readiness for broader institutional acceptance. This is why the community is linking it to a Binance listing. Major exchanges like Binance are under increasing pressure to list projects that are not only innovative but also compliant and ready for the evolving regulatory landscape. An ISO 2022 aligned project could be seen as less risky and more appealing to these platforms, potentially paving the way for easier integration into traditional financial systems down the line. A Binance listing for Pi Network would be monumental. It would provide massive liquidity, global exposure to millions of traders, and a significant boost in legitimacy and price discovery. However, it's crucial to remember that as of now, this is pure speculation. Pi Network is still in its closed mainnet phase, focusing on building its ecosystem and utility. There have been no official announcements from the Pi core team regarding ISO 2022 compliance or a specific listing date on Binance. While the idea of a major exchange listing after an ISO 2022 upgrade is exciting, it's important to manage expectations and rely on official communications. What do you all think? Do you believe Pi Network is actively working towards ISO 2022 compliance? And if so, how quickly do you see a major exchange listing like Binance following? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, please hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto insights, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.